What is going on, guys? So today we are checking out the ROCCAT Vulcan 2 Max. Now this is one of their highest end keyboards that they have released. This is brand spanking new. There's lots of amazing things going on here. Obviously we can see that it's got some amazing RGB LEDs built in, as well as a wrist guard, but there's lots going on here. So let's open it up and let me show you guys what it looks like in the package first before we get started here, just so we can kind of talk about some of the features and specs that this thing comes with, because it's pretty impressive. I've been really excited. I've used a lot of ROCCAT stuff. I'm currently testing out their more compact version of this keyboard, but I'm excited to look at the full version, which is right here. So first things first, when we open up the package, we have the wrist guard here, which, as you can see, guys, is kind of a really soft silicone gel, right? But it has these little tabs that snap into the bottom of the actual keyboard to transition those LED colors down to the wrist guard, which we'll take a look at here in just a little bit. Opening up further, we get the keyboard itself, and then it's got the cable built in just like this right there. And then we have a little instruction manual here as well. And that is everything that comes in the package. Very, very straightforward. But let's pull this thing out. So very, very nice cable here. As you can see, it's got two USB ports, okay? This is gonna be, I'm sure, it means there's gotta be a USB extendable port on here somewhere where you're gonna be able to basically plug this guy in. Now that we've got it out of the packaging, you guys can see it's got a really, really nice cable here. It's got two USB ports here that you're gonna plug this right into your PC. It's gonna take up two slots there for that dual LED functionality, right? What's really neat here is that it has just this really slick look. It's very, very, actually pretty lightweight. Still got a little bit of weight to it, so it's not gonna slide around on your desk. Has really nice rubber, little rubber pieces on the bottom here to keep it from sliding around. You have the two-stage ability here, so you can actually switch up depending on the level of angle that you're looking for. You've got two different options there, which is really cool. And then down here on the bottom, you're gonna see these grooves right here where the LEDs line up. Now that is designed specifically to match up with the wrist guard, which is a very flexible, kind of a heavy-duty rubber. And what that does is this actually, when you're getting placed in position, you kind of pop these in here, and that's going to transfer the colors from the top down to the bottom. So very, very cool. What's also awesome about this is you have so much functionality on here. There's so many different key options here. You have all of your multimedia up here, lots of different customizations. You got the ability to control a lot of different, using the ROCCAT software, you can actually plug in all sorts of different options here. You can do your recording, your go live buttons. There's all sorts of macro options that you can do here as well. Now these have HD AIMO RGB lighting. We got the translucent detachable palm rest, which is pretty cool. Easy Shift Plus unlocks a second layer of functionality. In the instruction manual, it's gonna walk you through actually all the different types of functions that you have with this. There's lots of different things that you can do. Volume knob, standard functionality, switch to different profiles, you got different macros. You got the default smart key with software. You got the open the ROCCAT software, mute your microphone, incoming call actions if you have your phone connected to it, which is crazy. So many different things that you can do with this, and obviously lots of adjustments that you can do with the lighting. The durable aluminum top plate. So this right here, this whole top plate is aluminum. Very, very clean look. And as you guys can see down here under the bottom, this also has the Titan 2 Optical-Mechanical smooth linear switches. So very, very high-end switches, especially for the gamers out there. I'm an Apex player myself, so I'm looking forward to diving into this and using this as my gaming keyboard for sure. It has onboard storage for up to 4 different user profiles, so very, very cool. If you have a multi-person PC, or if you just want to have a setup for, let's say, streaming, for gaming, for different things like that, you can change the entire profile of the keyboard as well, and you have the ability to put in third-party keycaps as well, which is super slick. So guys, this is a very, very nice keyboard. If you're looking for an upgrade, or from either a different brand or just from an older ROCCAT one, definitely consider checking out the ROCCAT Vulcan 2 Max. But guys, as usual, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.